Hello there, wonderful viewers. Thanks for choosing this video from Fixit. Join Fixit on a journey of knowledge and creativity. Today, I will show you how to post on Marketplace on Facebook. Remember to subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss any Fixit magic. Let's get started. Now, if you don't know what Facebook Marketplace is, it's basically like a marketplace platform that users or buyers can use it as a shop to buy and sell products online. And in order to utilize the Facebook Marketplace to the fullest, and maybe you want to post your own product to sell them. What you want to do is open up the Facebook option over here, or the app now. Most likely, if you've been frequently using Marketplace, you'll find a Marketplace option from the bottom of the menu bar, but in case you do not see it here, then tap on Menu. Here you will see Marketplace. When you are on this page, you will many ads about various objects. Once you're here on the Marketplace homepage, you'll find the Sell button, so just tap the Sell option. Here select what kind of items you're selling, whether you're selling an item, or maybe you're selling a vehicle, or maybe you're selling a properties for sale or rent, depending upon what you like. Just select them here. I am posting a phone ad here. Once you've done that, make sure to enter the photos. Also choose a title for your product. Now when you've done that, you can simply enter the price of your product here. You can select a category as well as also a condition in T. Now enter a description, and once you've entered all of the details about your product, what you can do is you can actually choose to publish them in many of the marketplace groups that you are a part of on Facebook. Once you've done that, tap on the next and your product will get successfully posted. Did this video help you? Comment below if I fixed your problem. Hit the subscribe button for more tutorials. Your input fuels us. Comment something below you would like to see fixed.